Now I love making barista quality coffee for my family and friends.
I can't believe how much coffee I was wasting before.
It looks amazing in my kitchen and is so quiet to use.
With simple controls, I get the right amount of perfectly ground coffee every time.
25 years ago, I started designing premium coffee products. This is where my passion for creating excellent coffee began. Since then, I have learned that barista quality coffee can only be made using exactly the right quantity of really fresh ground beans. I became frustrated because the perfect fresh grind is so difficult to achieve with current grinders due to issues such as retained grind, inconsistent yields, and hoppers full of beans going stale. I soon realised there was nothing on the market that addressed these problems. So, 4 years ago, I set out on a journey to design the solution, the niche grinder. It's simple to use. All you need to do is weigh the exact amount of fresh beans you need for your next coffee drink. Pour them in here, close the lid and switch on. Then watch all your beans being quietly ground by the large professional conical burrs. You then get all those same beans freshly ground here, meaning your grind is as fresh as the beans you use. It's simple, environmentally friendly, and quickly produces precise quantities of fresh ground coffee, saving you money, saving your coffee, saving our planet. The niche grinder's unique no retain grind design is further enhanced by large conical burrs quietly delivering the coolest, freshest grind possible. The stylish design and premium materials elegantly complement your kitchen. Its total cord storage keeps your workspace clutter-free. We have also added a clear safety interlock lid, giving peace of mind whilst you watch your beans being expertly ground. The infinitely adjustable grind dial makes it easy to produce a complete range of coffees, including espresso, pour over, and French press. I have moved the idea forward from initial sketches and detailed computer designs to over 30 fully working prototypes. I've been joined by a wide range of experts and we've engineered a patent-pending new product. We have combined this classic design with all the features you would expect and more to bring you a coffee grinder like no other. We are working with skilled craftsmen using the highest quality materials and hand-building high-performance grinders here in the UK. We're now at the stage where we are ready to start manufacture. This is where we need your help to fund the first production and make niche a reality. So, if you're passionate about getting the best tasting coffee, back our campaign and be the first to own the niche grinder. Thank you.